Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm filming with the Canon, I don't remember what the hell model this is. This is the point and shoot that I bought to replace my blue one because that one got soaked. It still works, but it got soaked and I don't want to trust it. Anyway, this video is about tools. So, this kit here, I think I paid $149 for it. 194 piece mechanics tool set from Home Depot. Husky, as you can see. Now, I like this kit. The problem I've got with it is every time I open it, and this is actually not as bad as usual, sockets are out of place. It just bugs me. I've used this maybe twice, and I do like it. What is this? I still haven't gone through everything in this box yet. Oh, that's the Allen wrenches. Huh. I'm not too impressed by that. But that's how they're in there. Oops. But I bought this to replace my 153 piece Craftsman kit that I bought from Sears like 3 years ago. That I liked it, but my dumb ass left it out in the rain and it got all rusty. So you can't read any of the numbers on the sockets really. It's very difficult. They're also all scratched to hell because I tend to keep these sets, you know, in my vehicles, and they bounce around and vibrate and stuff. Says wrenches and the bigger sockets too. This here, it says right on it, you know, the foam insert is needed to secure the tools. Do not discard. Well, that's kind of annoying too, but overall, it doesn't seem to be a bad kit. Now, what I thought about doing is getting a toolbox kind of like this one, and but you know, just a used one at a yard sale or something, and then buying used tools to throw into it. Well, then I was walking around Lowe's one day and I saw this 224 piece set, which they have a similar set in a similar box. It might even be the same box, I don't know. That's a 215 piece set, also for $99. And they have a another set. I think it's a bigger box and it's got more in it, and it's like 200. This is normally, they say, 129, but it was a couple months ago that I noticed this, and it's still, excuse me, $99. So, we could go through on the box everything that's in this, or we can open it up and explore it. I don't think I'd be able to put this together for $99 when a similar size toolbox by itself at Home Depot, it might be slightly bigger, I'm not sure, with handles on the sides, which I would actually prefer instead of one on the top, is about $50. Yeah, it's $50. Craftsman box, I think is similar to this size at Lowe's, is $63. So undo these latches, open this up. This is your lock for all the drawers, so when this is closed you can't open the drawers, which is going to be nice. Top drawer is empty, which I actually want to double check and make sure it's supposed to be that way. because if not, then I gotta return this. Then you got some wrenches, some ratchets, extension, screwdriver, ton of screwdriver bits. That's how Craftsman tends to fluff up their numbers and make it seem like, oh, I'm getting a really big kit. No, you're just getting more screwdriver bits that most of these you're never ever going to use. I'll use the Phillips and the flatheads. That's probably about it. These, I should just throw them out because I'm never going to use them. Got this. Oh. That's kind of annoying. I don't know if these are going to stay in. Damn it. Plastic cover. And I don't know, it seems like, I mean, especially considering everything being in the tray like this, they're not going to slide around too much. And then on the bottom, you got a bunch of sockets. And another annoying ass tray. Now what I'm thinking of doing, because while this kit has a good amount to it, it doesn't have everything that I quite want. Like, see, you know, for example, just a simple thing. I'd like a 5.5 millimeter socket. This only goes from 5 to 6. Little things like that. It definitely helps that there's extra storage. What I'm thinking is I want to... Oh no. Gee. Now I see how easy this tray is to read. I don't know if I want to do it. I wanted to take this tray out and get some of those rails that you snap the sockets into, and then I could take this out and have more space. But I can definitely do it with this drawer. Just put some toolbox liner in there. But I've got some pliers, and I'm going to get some channel locks and vice grips that I'll throw in on the top here, and maybe some dedicated screwdrivers or a small hammer, just because I want to have a kit that I can keep in the truck and it has most of what I need. Now this one that I'm sitting on, sure, it's great for that, but it's also easy to lose on all the shit that I've got, whereas something like this box, it's going to be harder to lose. I'm not sure if this is going to fit under the bed that I have in the back of the truck. It might. I can keep this. Another thing too is I don't want to buy two of the same kit, so I can keep this, say, in the Chevy, and keep this little black one in the Ford, and then I've always got tools on me, which half the time when I need them, I don't have them. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm happy with this so far. Like I said, I gotta check into if this is supposed to be anything in that drawer. Maybe I'll start counting everything, and if it adds up, then I'll know that drawer is supposed to be free space, which would be cool, but, you know, want to make sure I got everything I paid for, so... Oh shit, I hope I didn't cover the microphone. Guess we'll find out. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.